good stretch. So the middle back, that's that intercostal nerve we were talking about, right?
Mm-hmm.
And it just keeps getting irritated and inflamed, but it's coming along.
Yeah.
The neck, so this lower area, your C6 and your C7 and your first rib coming off the first thoracic, that's that whole bundle of nerves that comes into your arms too. So they really work together. So it's a matter of just keeping this loose. And that keeps jamming up, right? Because if you feel that, you can feel that feels not as bad.
Yeah.
But here, it's just every time it comes back into that spot.
Yep. Yep.
Okay.
Feel that.
Yep. So we're gonna come over this way, and I'm gonna push like that. Okay. Easy does it. Good. Awesome. That's really good. Good. That's better.